This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing software and a precise target format. This locks your pipeline so you can iterate fast. Install Blender for modeling and Unity with AR Foundation, or pick Spark AR for social filters. Create quick 1/2 sketches and gather textures 1024 x 1024 to avoid scaling surprises. Once your model exists, export to GLTF or FBX with real-world scale in meters. This prevents distortion later. Make sure to version control the files so you can revert when a change breaks the scene. Now add motion and interactivity. That's where AR feels alive. Retopologize to under 20,000 vertices for mobile and bake normals and light maps to reduce runtime cost. Rig with a simple bone chain or blend shapes for facial or organic motion, then export baked animations. In Unity or Spark AR, script tap, pinch to scale, and gaze trigger events so users can manipulate the piece. Once done, profile performance on a target device and fine-tune mesh LODs to keep 30 to 60 FPS. Finish by optimizing and deploying. This is about polish and resilience. Create texture atlases and use 0, 5 or 1, 0 compression to hit an 8 to 16 MB budget for mobile, compress meshes and set LODs. Enable AR light estimation and add subtle shadow planes so the piece sits in the world. Build to the device and test in various environments. If placement or scale is wrong, re-export the model with consistent meters, check anchors, and reapply transforms. This single fix solves most placement failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.